so tasty, so sweet. B, B, ball, bounce it to me. B is for ball, rolling with glee. C, C, cat, purring away. C is for cat, so cute every day. D, D, dog, woof woof hooray. D is for dog, wagging all day. Sing with me from A to Z. Every letter is a friend you'll see. Each one's special, each one's fun. Learning is fun with a happy song. E, E, elephant, big and strong. E is for elephant, singing our song. F, F, fish, swimming with bees. F is for fish, splashing through the seas. G, G, goat, jumping so high. G is for goat, reaching the sky. H, H, horse, galloping fast. H is for horse, racing past. I, igloo, chilly and white. I is for igloo, snowy and bright. J, J, jelly, wobble and fun. J is for jelly, jiggle and run. Sing with me from A to Z. Every letter is a friend you'll see. Each one's special, each one's fun. Learning is fun with a happy song. K, K, kite, flying so high. K is for kite, soaring the sky. L, L, lion, roaring with might. L is for lion, king of the night. M, M, monkey, swinging so free. M is for monkey, climbing the tree. N, nest, cozy and round. N is for nest, high off the ground. O, O, octopus, swimming with grace. O is for octopus, in the deep space. P, P, penguin, waddling slow. P is for penguin, walking on snow. Sing with me from A to Z. Every letter is a friend you'll see. Each one's special, each one's fun. Learning is fun with a happy song. Q, Q, quail, tiny and neat. Q is for quail, quick on his feet. R, R, rabbit, hopping along. R is for rabbit, ears so long. S, S, sun, shining so bright. S is for sun, giving us light. T, T, turtle, slow as can be. T is for turtle, swimming the sea. U, U, umbrella, keeps me dry. U is for umbrella when raindrops fly. V, V, violin, playing a tune. V is for violin, under the moon. W, W, whale, splashing around. W is for whale, making a sound. X, X, xylophone, playing with cheer. X is for xylophone, music to hear. Y, yo-yo, up and down. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z, Z, zebra, stripes in sight. Z is for zebra, black and white.